my channel. Look at this. This is the park in Avesta, the nature. Look at this one, that one. Just look around the tree. Look at this. You see here, you can take a walk. If you want to take a walk here, and if how will be the winter, it's very beautiful to take a walk here. You know, this is the bridge there. Going to another town, another shopping area, another grocery area. Is there. Here is the before this town was you know, this is the history. You see, this in 700 years ago, century. This is how the town look like, you know. This, you see there in the top there for 700 years ago. And that one, you see before how they see the city, but now they change everything. And this is there, this one here. You see, before you see that I have this the horse film before on a video. It's there. You see, you look at this one. Before is all eyes here, big eyes. You know, the mountain of eyes. This one, and now this is the new Avesta. You see, today. You see, this is the new. This is our town here, and this one, the river, the bridge there. So thank you for watching. Bye from now. Bye.